Who the heck are you guys?
We are the defenders of the land of make-believe, and we are so mad at you for making videos out of your nice clones friends on your Vint account for no reason.
That's it. You will be attacked by the Woody Woodpeckers.
And if you escape them, we will send you to the Woody Woodpeckers.
Oh no! Please guys, don't send me to the Woody Woodpeckers, I'm sorry.
Too bad, so sad.
Oh no! I got sent to the Woody Woodpeckers to attack me.
That's right. We are the Woody Woodpeckers. And if you try to escape from our home, we are going to attack you.
I agree with Woody Woodpecker number 1. You should be ashamed of yourself to you evil Sabrina Spellman. In 3, 2, 1, attack you.
Where we are.
That's what you get for made videos out of your nice clones friends on Vint.
Goodbye forever.